couple of important travel essentials for the upcoming safari to South Africa, Zimbabwe, Botswana, Kenya and Tanzania. Please make sure that you carry these two utility items. Number one is electric extension spike, also known as power strip, with multiple cameras, batteries, phones and other electronic devices to charge. This will be extremely useful in your room. South African power adapter is available on arrival at various international airports like Johannesburg, Victoria Falls or Kasane. Please purchase a South African adapter as the plug sockets are different from those in India. So once you purchase this adapter, plug in to your Indian socket of the extension spike, and then all the sockets of your spike can be now used for charging your devices which are having Indian type of plugs. In case you are going to East Africa, then purchase an East African adapter, and similarly you use it for all your devices. Number 2. Insulated refillable water bottle. Safe drinking water is available at the lodges where you can refill your bottle from the water stations. This helps you keep your water cool or warm according to your requirement, while also reducing the use of a single-use plastic bottle. I hope these two information would be important to you.